What is up, guys? This is Random Product Reviews, and today we are going to be reviewing the DJI Mavic Pro.
Oh, the habits of my heart, I can't say no.
Hey, this is RP Reviews, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a like on this video. It really does help out the channel and helps me buy products before you guys do. This channel is mainly for random product reviews. I have a family vlog channel, and when I buy products for that channel, before I open them up and stuff, I like to make it on this channel to kind of help the consumers figure out if this is what they want to buy. So today I'm going to be reviewing the DJI Mavic Pro. I just picked this thing up at Best Buy for $999. Now, the reason why I got this drone is because previously I had the DJI Mavic Air, and I had that one for about a week. I bought it last week, and for some reason I couldn't get a decent transmission signal onto the drone. I could only fly it like 100 feet out, and I continued to lose signal. I would have it hooked up to my phone, and the transmission signal would go black, and it would say weak transmission, so I just got tired of it. So let's take a look. What the box looks like, it has this cool handle on it. This makes me want to not buy a carrying case because I can carry it in this box, and it's actually a pretty heavy-duty built box with the handle ready to go. So no need to buy a separate carrying case. So when you open it up, everything is neatly layered here. Everything's packed with this heavy-duty lining. I would feel very confident to keep this as my carrying case for the drone. So in the box, you can see we have the drone here, then we have the transmitter, and then it looks like this is the charger. You have your movement toggles here, your power on, and your screen here. Take this off. Your antennas that flip up and come out, and let's remove this. Nicely built. Now, the unique thing about DJI is that they have this port here that connects to either iOS or Android, and you unfold the handles like so, and then you're able to put your phone in here. The problem is I have the iPhone 8 Plus, and I have to take my case off in order to put it in this controller, or your camera mode, your record button, and then your sport mode button on the side here. And that's pretty much the entire controller. Let's move over to the drone. Now the drone, this thing is pretty awesome. It comes with the blades that are already off. When you take the drone out, this thing weighs a decent amount. I mean, this is definitely bigger than my DJI Air that I previously had. I'm actually gonna do the rest of the video with this angle because the light, it's pretty big. I mean, this is a big drone. This is the drone when it's all folded with the front propellers off. It gives you numbers and steps on where to do, or what steps to do. So it says first is unfold the front arms forward. So let's do that first. And then number 2 is unfold the rear arms downward. That's number 2. And then all of your sensors have these little protective pieces of tape on them. I'm just gonna remove those. We have SD card slot. So this one actually comes with an SD card already in the drone. It looks like. It comes with a 16 gig micro SD card. Put that back in there. The battery, you push these 2 things, and then boom, it pops right out. So there's these 2 side protective clips that you have to push, and once you push that in, it'll come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the charger on this battery so it starts charging. This is what was in the charging box. It looks like we have some, okay, so this is for our Android users. If you have an Android, it does come with the plug. Its default connections are for the iOS, so, but no worries, if you do have an Android, they have a. And I believe this is our transmitter charger that connects to the adapter itself, which is right here. The manual does say to make sure before you fly that all the batteries are completely full of charge. When you first get the drone, there's gonna be a bunch of firmware updates that you have to let it run through its course, and before it does that, it does ask to have 100% batteries on. both the transmitter and the drone itself. This is actually kind of cool. When you plug it up, it says charging and it gives you a percent at the bottom of it right there. And then this is the battery that it's blinking. This is on level 1, 2, 3, and 4. After it's solid and goes away, it's fully charged. And obviously when your percentage gets to 100, then that means it's charged. Just to kind of give you guys exactly what this thing gets. It looks like you get the aircraft itself, you get the transmitter, you get some props, you get the cord, the Android cord, an extra cord, a charger cord, and a charger. And that's it. I mean, everything, that's all you need. So that's what comes in the box. I'm gonna put this guard on, like so, and I will see you guys as soon as I'm in a place that's cool enough to fly this thing. Okay, hopefully you can hear me and it's not too windy outside, but we're here in Galveston on the seawall. I have the Mavic Pro here. And actually I don't want to take off on the sand because I don't want all the grains to get everywhere. So I have my board on this trash can and I'm going to use it as like a launch pad. Hopefully it works. We'll give it a go. It's in the air. Oh man. So it's in the air. It's really smooth on the flight here. So now I'm gonna transfer the footage. I'm gonna transfer the footage over to the drone. Okay, so first flight was super good. It handled really well with all this wind, super high wind velocities the entire time I was flying this thing. I had the DJI Mavic Air, and this thing was a lot quieter and flew so much smoother than the Air itself. So that pretty much sums up my DJI Mavic Pro. I've been flying drones for about 2 weeks, and I mean, this thing's so easy to fly. I'm a very, very new drone flyer.
I couldn't fly over by Moody Gardens because I had to get authorization, and I'm not FAA certified yet. I do plan on getting that done, but for 2 weeks of flying, this DJI is super easy to fly. I highly recommend it. In my opinion, this is much easier to fly than any kind of $300 drone. It pretty much flies itself. If you guys are interested and you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more random product reviews. Leave a thumbs up if it was good, and I'll see you guys next time.
Over the habits of my heart,